Hello, welcome to Spoon Barbecue. Let's fry up some pork steaks and make a salad. Okay, so I got a pork butt here. It's about a 6 pound or 2.5 kilos pork butt, and I'm just cleaning off the excess fat. I'm not going to use all of it. I'm cutting 4 steaks, and the rest I'm saving for a pulled pork on another day. Anyway, cutting the slices into half. So I've got 8 pieces, or 9 in this case. Seasoning with It's Incredible from Heaven Made Products and some Montreal chicken seasoning. It works really well on pork. Well, I guess pork doesn't really know, does it? Anyway, melting a little bit of butter in a frying pan, putting half of the meat in here. I actually put the other half in another pan. Browning it on one side to give it a sear, then putting a lid on it and letting it finish off. I want it to be at least 70 degrees Celsius and 170 Fahrenheit, which it was, so that's good. Anyway, basting with a salad, avocado, cheese, tomato, and lettuce, 1 piece of meat, and a little bit of bearnaise sauce. Time for a taste. There we go. See? Looks good. Pork steak and salad, and some bearnaise. Came out nice. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.